Hello, I'm Shah from High Tech Vibe. In this video, I will teach you how to create a copyright-free music for your videos using AI. First, you need a good prompt. I got help from ChatGPT for creating my prompt. I need the music for video of the nature. This professional prompt is optimized for the service I want to use. Log into Suno. After registration, click Create from the side menu. In the song description box, paste the prompt you prepared. Be careful, you have a limited number of the character here, so include only the important details. After entering the prompt, select the instrumental option. This option is Suno's strength. Its AI automatically recognizes that you want the music without vocals, even you don't explain exactly. After adjust settings, click on the Create button. Fortunately, Suno offers free credits, and with each iteration is currently produced 4 different versions using its new and stable models. It creates 1-minute songs from beta version and a longer version from its stable models. And I should mention that the result is simply fantastic. Just like a professional musician, using the prompt and mood of your video, it creates exclusive soundtracks with the original cover art. You no longer need to worry about the copyright claims on social platforms like Instagram or YouTube. Just right click on the song and download it. Here's the result in the CapCut. I'm Shah and thank you for watching. If you have any question, ask in the comments. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.